Bought a new keyboard in the UK, wired 600 keyboard from Microsoft, and it was slightly reduced in its price. It was on sale for £11 and 40 pence, 11.40. So right off the bat, there is some differences between a US keyboard layout and what I have received here. If you see on top of the box, it looks like a regular US keyboard with a hash over here and then the tilde over here. But when I noticed the keyboard in real, it does not have that. The tilde key here, it does not have a hash key here. It's the hash is instead placed over here right next to the backspace. And the backspace is sorry, this is the enter. And the enter is actually like this, instead of a regular single button for enter. It's pretty wide, so you might mistype some keys till you get used to it. And coming to this keyboard, the feel is really good. Right now I have kept it raised, and if I put it down, it looks like this. And then there is a shortcut for the calculator. There's number lock, caps lock, and rest of the things right there. And instead of having a print screen and screen lock and pause on the regular size as these keyboard keys, they have smaller and narrower ones, and the entire function row is also narrower. There is definitely some multimedia controls that are given right here. So right off the bat, I noticed these differences between a regular US layout keyboard and this keyboard. And I do have another keyboard that I've been using, and that's what I'm replacing with this new one. And so that is it right here. So you can see the differences. I bought this in the US and this in the UK. The one on the top is the US keyboard that I bought in the US, and the bottom is the UK keyboard. So the enter is an L shape here. This is an L shape inverted here. So hope this helps for you in making a purchase decision if you want to buy this keyboard, Microsoft 600 wired, and this is on sale at Sainsbury right now at £11 and 40 cents. Thank you for watching.